what do we got here? This thing hit real bad. Here we got another collision work here. Well, we're going to take care of a good client of ours. It's got into a front damage in the rear, but we are Tesla certified here. We have all the equipment and the parts and everything, so we'll make sure this thing looks like brand new again. It's got scraped pretty hard, man. Rims are damaged, front fenders, the headlights, the front bumper. Hey, it still drives, so yeah, that's a good thing. It still drives, but it did got some damages in the back as well. As you see, the diffuser needs to be replaced. Oh, the whole side quarter is damaged. The wheel's a little bit off too. It looks pretty bent, so we'll take care of it. Make sure everything's back to OEM spec, just like brand new again.
Skin,
right? Because they got like damages on the front and then even the back end too. And the whole side is scraped. I'm guessing he probably ran into something else. Yeah. That's alright. Light work. Yeah. Get this thing fixed. See what's bent behind it. Figure out what's going on behind there. Let's see. Let's see what we got.
Could be a good before and after.
Yeah. Okay, it's mostly the sides covered. You can still open the door. It's a good thing. Let's see what's bent behind there, because that looks like something's bent underneath there for sure. That wheel is like.
Anytime we have a car coming for a collision, first thing you have to take photos of everything all around. Now in this one, you have to remove the bumpers, back one and front, and then see the damages inside. This possibly more likely is something bent underneath, more likely an arm. I'll remove the bumper, see if there is any bracket damage over here, and then in the front here, it looks surface scraped up, but there could be a broken bracket underneath. So we'll have to remove all of them and then we'll see whatever we find. We'll keep you posted. Lot more of damage. The arms are done too, see how this arm comes straight? Now look here. One is bent backward. So this is gone for sure. With this type of case, this is the problem. You cannot even tell if something is bent or no. So this is going through insurance, so we're gonna recommend all. This is gonna go, and then might be able to save the shock, but I'll have to check.
Welcome back, guys. A couple weeks back, we did show you a Model Y that had some collision issues and had damages. Well, we're all done. Here, let me walk through what we did and what was done to it. Here it is, just like brand new again. Had the front bumper replaced, had the wheels all done and replaced, as well as the front fender, the headlights, So pretty much this whole side of the car had damages. As you can see, it's like brand new again. You can't see anything. Everything is, paint is matched, no discoloration or anything like that. And everything is OEM. We do deal with a lot of Teslas. Follow us at testmods.ca. We have the parts, and everything in stock. So collision repairs and bodywork and stuff takes a lot less time with us, as we do keep a lot of these stuff in stock. And we went to go ahead, our client really liked our body kit, so this one actually got the full carbon body kit installed as well. All the side skirts, as you can see, around the camera. So it's a full package. Even the back too, it gives that aggressive look to get the diffuser installed on the rear. So head us up if you have any collision work or anything that needs to be done on the Teslas, as we do specialize in the Tesla. See you until next time.